Hey, you got me, Ike, and you got Phoenix. Today we're gonna make these brownies. If he wants to make them, and it's very simple. It's very simple.
Couple eggs, couple water.
Couple of eggs right here. Couple of water. We're gonna put right there. There's the
Couple
eggs.
oil, couple oil.
Oh yeah, and a cup of oil too. So we're gonna get one egg out. Okay, first we only need one egg.
Daddy, that's goes around.
Crack the egg inside the bowl.
I got this bowl.
No, do this. Yeah, do this one.
Put this one back.
Okay. And you got Phoenix cracking it. Whoa. Okay. Give me the egg. I'll throw this away. Get that paper towel right there. Okay. So we're gonna put this egg right here. But in the meantime, I'm gonna turn on the water. Okay. Okay, it says one egg. It says 1/4 cup of water.
And 1 cup of oil.
And 1/4 cup of oil.
Oil.
Phoenix is right, guys. So, that says
Daddy,
1/3 of a cup.
Daddy,
So what I'm gonna do is
Daddy.
find the 1/3, and I'm gonna pour it in there. Whoa, that was almost too much. Was it too much? If it's over half a cup, okay, 1/3, guys, is less than. He's getting the water together. Good job, Fee. Come on. Okay. Now, wait, Fee, don't pour it yet.
I'm not. Couple oil. Couple water.
Okay.
Couple eggs.
1/3 of oil and 1/4 cup of water. Wait. Is this 1/4?
Yeah.
No.
1.
This is half a cup.
Yeah.
On this one, it says 1/4 is around this much.
1 for 2.
A little bit less than half a cup. 1/4 is half a cup. So,
I'll do it.
a little bit. Let me see. This is one. Let's just go ahead and do. Oh, okay. Here we go. Let's just go ahead and do 1/4.
1 cup of oil.
Boom, 1/4. Look, I poured it out. Came right to it. So
I'll do
1/4. Okay, Phoenix wants to pour it. There goes the water. Okay, do the oil. There's the oil.
Make cup of oil.
Now for the good part. Fee, can you hold this?
Daddy, get a spoon.
Oh, Fee wants me to get a spoon, guys. Hold on.
Also some sprinkles.
Sprinkles later. That go on the top.
Yeah.
Here's the spoon, Fee. Okay, Phoenix wants to stir. You can stir, Phoebe.
Whoa.
Stir.
I'm waiting for you to pour the rest of it. That was this one.
I'm pouring it all in.
That's all of it. It's powder.
Hmm?
This powder.
You like that, right?
Yeah. This is my
Stir it up,
favorite.
stir it up.
We need more.
That's all.
Yeah. Hey, that's enough. What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
I'm pouring it in there, baby girl.
That's enough.
Okay, you're right. Can I stir?
Mhm.
You can record me. No. You can do this.
Okay.
What's up, guys? We're recording. she got her shirt on. That's her favorite shirt, guys. I just got it. If you want to know where I got it from, I'll put the link in the description box. And you can go shop and get your daughter or your niece or your little sister or your older sister a shirt just like that.
Ooh,
Guys, this is coming out very... Whoa.
Whoa.
Just, hold on, P. Let's show them. Can we show them? Hold the camera. Guys, this is coming out very, very nice, if you can tell. Don't worry. Oh, and guys, this is Phoenix's first cupcake she's making. I usually do the dry ingredients first.
It don't look like a cupcake. It do look like a cupcake.
Hold it, baby girl. Hold it up like this. I usually do the dry ingredients first, but this is a very easy... You can't mess this up, guys. You can't mess this up. Alright? That's all you got to do. All you got to do is stir it like that. And in our next video, we're going to take the cupcakes out. But right now, I'm going to show you something that my mom, my grandma do.
Daddy.
Yeah?
You know you brought it.
Hmm?
You know you brought it.
Yeah, I brought it.
I wanted it.
Guys, I'm going to show you something that my mom, my grandma do. And they do this very so often. If I can find the brownie container.
Not in there. Oh, Daddy, can we get some syrup?
Want some syrup?
Yeah.
No, you can't have no syrup, Fifi.
I think tomorrow.
Okay, guys. Okay, so this is very easy. What we do is I have something like this, and what I'll do is I'll wash it out. After you wash something like this out, you easily put a little bit of oil in there while Phoenix is playing with the brownies. A little bit of oil, guys. A little bit of oil.
That's big oil.
And then what we do is I put a little bit of flour at the bottom. You put the flour at the bottom so nothing sticks, and just get it on. Alright guys, in our next video, you'll see how we pour this and how we put it into our oven. See you later. Peace.